How do you fix Blasphemous 2 is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you'll need to open up your browser and navigate to this link which is in the description below. Now from the redistributables table, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do is update your GPU driver. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you can use the NVIDIA app, and for AMD, you can use AMD software. Go to the drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest available driver. Now, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. So you can right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from the library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.